Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome to beautiful sunny day in Southern California. And we are finally taking advantage of this beautiful free energy from the sun. That's right, we are getting solar for our house finally. We are getting Tesla solar panels. And in this video, I will show you the whole process of how we order it and compare with different traditional solar company. Let's go. So I try to get the quote, the pricing with all the solar company options around my area, even before I go to Tesla.com or try to get the pricing from Tesla. But most of them will try to talk to you on the phone for a long time and try to come to your house to get the estimate number, until I found this website called solarestimate.org. I think this is probably the best website that you could get estimates costs to compare with Tesla or different other companies. So with solarestimate.org, you just have to put in your address and your utility providers. Then put in the estimate monthly utility bills that you can provide. This part is really important because so they can give you the correct system size that your house actually needs. In my case, my monthly bill is about $160 per month. After you enter all the informations that they required, they will provide you with the system size that you need and kilowatt hours production per year, and also the monthly loan payment. But look carefully with the loan payment number here. It's $57 per month, but this is for 20 years loan with 4.99% interest. And this is the cost of the whole systems. The system that I choose here to get the quote, it's for solar panels only, no backup batteries or Powerwall. And also the estimate tax credit that you will get. The reason why I like this website a lot because they provide you with all these informations that you need before you make, even making decision of calling them back or go shop different solar company. Now we have a better idea and numbers of the systems that I need for my house. Let's go check out Tesla solar panels. Before we start with Tesla solar, if you're interested in getting Tesla solar panels, please use my referral code on the screen and I'll put details on the description box below. You'll get $300 credit for solar panels and $500 credit for solar roof. As you can see here on Tesla website, it said guarantee lowest price for solar. Let's see if that is true. On Tesla website, you basically have to do the same thing here. Put in your home address so they can check the roof of your house from the GPS, that how much sun you will get daily and average per month and per year. Also your monthly bills for your utilities. Here is the system that I got from Tesla. It's 4.25 kilowatt panels, but it's only provides 65% energy offset. And I don't need a power wall here, so I'm just gonna remove that. This is the details on energy offset. How much do I need? This is my energy that I need. It's about 9,800 kilowatt hours per year, but 4.25 kilowatt systems only provide 6,413 kilowatt per year. Here's I need 6.55 kilowatt system. You can change your system size here but these are kind of too big for my house. So basically I just put in the order on a smaller systems, cost of the smaller systems, and the tax credit, and also solar renewable energy credit. After I put in the order, the next day Tesla came back with the design for 4.25 kilowatt solar panel system, but I need a bigger system. So I change on my system to add 2 more panels to my system. By the way, you can cancel Tesla Solar anytime you want. Even after they already install on your roof, you still can cancel it, and they will take it off of your roof for free with no charge. After almost 2 weeks, they came back with a new design with updated price because I added 2 panels in there. Now the system is 5.1 kilowatt system from 4.25 systems. And now it's producing about almost 9,000 kilowatt hours per year. And the energy offset went up to 94%. As you can see, the number is a little bit different here because after I provided Tesla with my utility account access, they came back with more accurate numbers. Here's the updated cost of the whole system with installation included. It's $10,761. So now let's compare it with the other solar company that we got earlier, which is $12,824 with cost after incentive $9,490. And the system size is actually smaller than Tesla, only 4.6 kilowatt versus Tesla 5.1 kilowatt. Here's full comparison between other solar companies and Tesla solar panels. As you can see, even though Tesla solar system is bigger than the other company's system, the system costs still cheaper, about $2,000 cheaper, and the cost after incentives is about $1,500 cheaper. Plus, you get 2.99 interest compared to 4.99 interest, and 10 years loan instead of 20 years loan. But of course, you don't have to use Tesla loan. If you don't want to, you can use outside loan or you can pay cash. For me, I'm using Tesla loan. I'm gonna use all of the incentive that I'm gonna get, put in a down payment. And this is my monthly payment. It's $75.90 plus $17 of the energy offset and fees. So I'll be paying about average of $93 instead of $160 right now for the next 10 years. After 10 years, I'll be only paying $17 for my electric bills as long as I stay in this house. In conclusion, after I tried to find a quote from the internet and talk to sales by phones, no one can beat Tesla solar panels price. After that, it took Tesla another week to send technicians out for on-site inspection. So Tesla solar guy just got here to do on-site home inspection before they actually install it. So he's just taking pictures, as many as he could, to make sure everything is ready for the installation. So the technician just left. It took him about 45 minutes to inspect the panel inside the garage. Took a lot of pictures of the roofs around the house, also picture with the panels. And he went up the roof. Let me show you. Right there. So that's where all the panels gonna be. So he was up on the roof about I think about 20 minutes, and he said everything was fine, and it's gonna take about 2 to 4 weeks for them to get everything finalized and come back out again and do the installation. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video when they actually come out for installation. Thank you for watching today, and if you like the video, click like and subscribe for future content. See ya.